Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm going to show you how I did this eyeshadow look. Firstly, I primed the eyes, and then I'm using the Blossom African Queen palette for this. I'm using the black shade, and I'm just tapping the products on the lid and just blending gently. I'm not dragging. So I should have used a gel liner first, but I just thought, let me just go in because I didn't want it to be too pigmented. The eyeshadow on this one is already like really pigmented, so I'm putting this brown shade on the crease, blend on the same line where the line ends of the first color. That's where you should blend. Don't put the black all over the crease and then blend upward, because there will literally be no space for you to blend your transition and all of that. So I usually leave a little space for my crease area to blend the next color. Now after I blended that crease area, I did like an extension, more like a natural eyeliner. This is what is trending now anyway, so that's what I did, just extend it. So I used this wine and the orange color for transition. The reason why I took out of the wine is because the orange was a little too bright and I didn't want everywhere to be so colorful. So I used this yellow to tone it down. Mixing orange and yellow and red gives you orange. So I wanted to get like an orange hue, but not like directly use orange. So now I'm using the powder to just soften the brow area and just blend all of this together. Usually some people use eyeshadow as well, but I always use powders. And now this is the end result. I'm sure you guys now know how to do like a black smoky eye. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.